She does have some bronzer. Why do I always do that? She does have some bronzer, which is... I swear I'm not breaking these things. Collection. It has 3 different things and it's broke. I didn't break it. It was already broke. Ably and when I put it with me. Oh my god. I want lipstick. I want lipstick. There's no hair. Where it's a bit baldy. I just dropped the powder. Using all her makeup so I don't have to buy my own. What next? I do not know. Oh, we get wee rings in them too.
They're bubbles.
Oh, chicken. She doesn't shout at me. 2. La 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 la. What am I looking at? Lid stuff. I wonder where this goes. Okay. Maybe not. Maybe not. Shade all over. Super light. Anything there? Anything. It all will do. Nothing's on there.
I got a baffle maker. I got a lipstick maker.
This is not my makeup hub. No, it isn't. Ooh, who is she? Ooh, it's Natural Debbie. Do, do, do. Goodbye, my friends. Let me know if you like the smell. Like, should I like it? I don't know. I don't know. Also, I got my hair done. Yes. Did you notice? I'm away. Bye.